kanza kwethu siphinde siyabingelela bona umbukiso wesukela eStudent Captures lobingelayo-ke uNkosazana kaPort sibonga khona le entabeni zaseshow njengoba ngilana-ke siyisokela eStudent Captures sizoshicilela konke okwenzakalayo la emcimbini kaMisi ngiwubuciko la eceleni kwami nginodadewethu ngenhlahla ngiyamazi igama futhi ngiyamlandela ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana ngiyambuka lapha yonke into lento akayiphostayo ngiyambuka Simi masibingele phela sikwamukele lo mbukiso wesokela eStudent Captures.
Ngiyabingelela nonke lapho abangibukelayo la ome lapho ngweni uSebiwa Anani neminyaka eyi-13 ofunda eFenday Secondary School grade 8.
Yeah. So mhlawumbe ngakutshela umuntu ozobuka lo mbukiso noma ubuka nje manje ukuthi wena njengoba ulana yini igama lokuthi ngikuwona futhi uzokwenzani.
Today ngilana ngisibuciko ngizolanda i-award kodwa angakazi ngizolanda yona ngizosupporta uMsizo because she is my best supporter uma kuya kwama-events so nami ngithi anginikisupporta anganginika yona.
Okay, bese siya umodeli umodeli.
Mina ngaqala ngo-2023 May 10 uMiss Beyond the Skin. Although ngangi-very shy in my first pageant, but I did my best and I still have the title of Miss Beyond the Skin. I became the inspirational Miss and I was so proud of that because it was my first time in a competition.
Lapho kuleyo first time competition yakho time ngakungena ukho wabuya nakho wakwenza ukuzelele ubekele phambili.
Mina into engabuya nakho ukuthi njengoba sengenelile lo Miss and futhi i-title ngayithola ngavele ngaba naleyo confidence naleyo nto nje ethena ungagive up qhubeka uyoze kube khona leso sikhathi ukuthi usudumile and uzogcina usuMiss South Africa as uzozibina ithunzi but always be yourself on stage and do never give up because giving up is never an option.
So in 5 years to come manje in 3 years usuyibona umodeli.
Ngifisa sengiwu Miss Universe.
Yeah.
Because also Zibini Tunzi, she is my best role model and futhi wayekhona Miss Teen Universe.
Yeah.
So I will also want to enter Miss Teen Universe because I want to inspire change to young people.
Somthatha amazakho sesiphethe sesibala njengafisa ukusho kodadewethu nabafowethu abakule age okuyona abafisa umodeli.
I-advice engabanika yona ukuthi always chase your dreams. You have big dreams that you have to follow. You always need to have the courage to follow those dreams because everything is possible.
Ngenza kwethu ngiyathemba ukuthi niyayizwela kuseshilo wathi everything is what? Everything is possible.
Not impossible.
Kulungile ngani zakwethu sonithatha sinibeka hoko kwenzeka la emcimbini kaMiss ngiwubuciko bathi uMiss ngiwubuciko emcimbini kaMama uSizondo okhona la nje opposite ne-ICC la maduze nezindlu ze-Pioneer Dot Solution lapho khona sifaka khona izikweletu sithi ke veza amafu lapho camera